Hello, mathematicians, puzzlers, and other curious people. If you've looked at calculating slopes and rates of change, you might be wondering about some of the different things you can calculate a rate of change of. And the answer is you can actually calculate an average rate of change across any interval for any formula. So here, I'm going to look across the interval of x values between 4 and 9. I'm going to look at the average rate of change of the formula y equals x squared plus 3x. So I'm going to organize that a bit. I'll have my x values and my y values, and the two x values I'm interested in are the endpoints, 4 and 9. So then I just need to calculate my y values, and I'm going to use this space over here for scratch paper. So I'll have 4 squared plus 3 times 4. So that'll be 16 plus 12, which is 28. I'll do the same thing for 9. So I'll have 9 squared plus 3 times 9. So I'll have 81 plus 27. So that will be 108. So remember, I'm going to use the slope formula. So I'll have my change in y getting divided by my change in x. So to find my change in y, I'll need to subtract, 108 minus 28. And to find my change in x, I'll line up those x values underneath their matching y values. So 108 went with 9, 28 went with 4, and I'll subtract them also. So 108 minus 28 is 80. 8 minus 4 is 5. And then 80 divided by 5. Well, 80 divided by 10 would be 8. 5 is half as much, so double the result. So I get 16. So on average, between x values of 4 and 9, this function is changing, again, on average, not the same all the way across, but on average, at a rate of 16 units of increase in y values for each 1 unit of increase in x values. And again, you can try this out with any formula. So do try this out with some different formulas and see what you can find out. And you can also try out what happens when you make your x values close to each other, because some interesting things happen then. And for now, enjoy the explorations you can do with that, and I will say calc you later.